In this video, I'll show you how to set up a direct debit in the HSBC app. It's quick, secure, and helps you manage regular payments like bills or subscriptions. Open the HSBC app and log in. Tap on the account you want to link the direct debit to, then go to Manage Direct Debits under the More options. Select Create a Direct Debit and enter the company name, reference number, and payment amount. Confirm the details, then authenticate using Touch ID, Face ID, or your security code. Once approved, the direct debit will be set up and processed on the agreed date each month. You can also view, cancel, or edit existing direct debits directly in the app. Setting up direct debits through HSBC gives you full control over your recurring payments, all from your phone. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more banking tips and HSBC app tutorials.